Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. And if you like any of the items you see, be sure to check the description for links and discounts. Today we are looking at the Alo collection that I have been the most excited for in a very long time. This is the Red Hot Summer collection. Now, this collection came in a lot of different pieces, and I chose quite a few of my favorites to try on for you. And to be truly honest, I'm very tempted to keep all of them. So let me know in the comments below what you think I should keep and what you think deserves to go back. Now, my general thoughts on this collection is that the color is just everything. So for example, we're going to take a look at these low-key sweat shorts. And while the material is not anything special or to write home about or like luxurious in any way, like it's not like the soft stream Lululemon shorts, it is just kind of a basic cotton. The color is just so lovely. I will say that the fit is really nice. It is either high-waisted or you can wear it lower on your hips to make them a little longer if that's a concern for you. But overall, I wasn't truly impressed by the fabric itself, just more so the color and the fit. Now, as I was mentioning, you can see that they are kind of like a perfect length if you wear them up on your waist. They're kind of like by my belly button. And I can even pull them up a little higher or lower. And you do see that there is a lot of give on the waistband. So I ordered a size XS. I usually wear a size S in the airlift legging for reference, although I can fit in an XS as well. Although I feel like there's two camps where some will size down and some will size up. I'm usually the person that will size up, so keep that in mind for size reference. Next, we are going to take a look at the Aspire tank. Now, I've tried this on in a few other colors, and of course, this is one of Alo's staple tops. It is a crop, and it has the signature embroidered Alo yoga right on the front. It does not have any give vertically, but it does have some stretch horizontally, so it is a little forgiving in that regard. The waistline is kind of curved and longer in the front, and in the back, it kind of goes up, like it's kind of the opposite concave, which I think is a really smart design move because when it's on, because if you have any sort of a chest, it's going to look flat all around. Now, as you can see, I tried this on with a cami underneath, and that is mainly because you do need to wear some sort of bra with this, unless of course going without is your vibe. I tried this in an S and was overall happy with the size and don't think I would have sized down. And overall, I really liked the red on red look, and it gets even better when we add this Sweet Escape zip up crop hoodie. Let's go ahead and take a look at that one next. Now, I ordered this in the size XS, and you're hopefully starting to see the trend that I'm either an XS or an S in Alo, depending on the piece and the cut. We're first going to try this on with the sweat shorts, and then we'll try it on with a few pieces later on, just so you get to see the versatility of the item. Now, this was one of the pieces that I was the most excited to try, kind of this whole set with the crop sweater and the shorts. I think the crop is just really cute, especially from the back, and it kind of looks like a baseball with the lines that go into the shoulder blades. And I really liked how they modeled it on the website. However, I don't know how much use I would get out of this sweater particularly, mainly because I think it's going to be a little hard to match with something that is outside of this collection. Now, so you can see for yourself, we're first going to try it on with our original white shirt, and then we'll also try it on with the Aspire tank. Now, as you're starting to see, it does look really sharp, especially with the white underneath. And please excuse the lack of tucking in the back of the white shirt, but you do get the overall vibe of the look. I do think it kind of looks like a lifeguard look, which I'm not mad about and I think is kind of trendy. But overall, I thought it looked better without a long shirt, kind of more of like a cropped style, basically how they had it in the stock photo. Now, I also read a few reviews that said that they preferred that they sized up in the crop zip, and I don't know that I necessarily feel that way if I was going to wear it like this with the shorts. I might feel that way if I was going to wear it with jeans or something low-waisted. Okay, next up, let's try on the Accolade crew neck pullover. Now, I have tried this on before and I've unboxed this on the Fashion Try-On, and I tried the size XS. This time we got a little smarter and we tried a XXS. Now, I do think that it fit better, but I do still think that it's a very oversized piece. It's meant to be oversized, and in any other brand, this would definitely not be an extra, extra small. That is all to say, if you are interested in this item, please do size down or take a look at the size chart. If you are looking for something oversized, at least you will be prepared for what you're going to receive. Now, one extra little goodie that I did pick up was this scrunchie set, and it comes with a red, white, and blue, and I thought it was perfect for the 4th of July, perfect for our lifeguard vibes of this whole collection, and honestly just perfect to wear separately, independently, or with this collection. So you can definitely wear the red while you're wearing the rest of these pieces. You can wear the white while you're wearing these pieces. You can add a splash of blue, or honestly, you can just wear them all together as a cute little bracelet. So I always like to suggest picking up the scrunchies or an accessory in the same color as the collection, because I do think it is kind of like the cherry on top, no pun intended, with this red collection. Now let's get back into our Accolade crew neck and try on the XXS. Now I actually really liked this crew neck in this colorway. Previously, I have not liked the Accolade. I thought it was oversized. I thought the material was kind of unspectacular, and in the darker colors, I can see lint, so it just doesn't look as crisp to me as I would want it to, but I actually really loved the red. I think it's just the color, guys. Okay, let's get into our last item, which is the Alosoft Carefree Half Zip Dress. Now, if you're familiar with the Alosoft material, you know that it's a little bit more soft, a little bit more velvety, and sometimes it's heathered. This dress felt different than the Alosoft leggings. It felt similar to the Alosoft long sleeve shirts and a little bit thicker. So it was kind of like a thicker, softer airlift legging material, but overall a very positive feel. Now this was in many ways my wildcard piece, and I like to pick up these new kind of trendier items because you never really know how they're gonna look in person. I did kind of like the stock photo on the website, but I wasn't 100% sold. And because I liked the color so much, I really just kind of wanted to hedge against knowing that I might not like the Accolade or the sweat things that I picked up. Now, I will tell you, this was actually my favorite piece of the entire collection. I thought that it fit really well. I tried the XS. I definitely could have sized up in the S, but this kind of fit like a glove. It does have the little shorts underneath, which do have a side pocket, which they show holding a tennis ball, but if you are actually a tennis player, you know that you just tuck it underneath the shorts themselves. So you could even wear this for golf or anything athletic. I'm not sure if I would wear this kind of out and about for a day out. Let me know in the comments below if you think that is okay, and just where else you would wear this piece, because it really is something special. Now it also comes in a black and a white, which I am very tempted to pick up as well. Now, as I mentioned before, I did try this on with the crop zip hoodie. And while I think it generally gives the essence that it goes together, the materials are so different that I don't know that I would actually pair these two. All right, that is all we have for our Red Hot Summer unboxing and try on. If you made it this far, be sure to leave a red hot emoji in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.